Hey guys on YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to coding Python API to create AI image like chatgpt. So API stable diffusion. In this article, we will use stable diffusion to create chatgpt like auto-generated AI image. The method is simple. Anyone can do it by following the instructions. Let's get started. First of all, please log in from sign up in the upper right corner. Then press open collab in the middle. First, select the runtime above and switch from default to GPU. Yes, press save. Press code for the test. Enter NVIDIA's SAMI in the code. If successful, the following will be displayed. Okay, install the Python library diffusers with a pipe command. Also, install the following libraries as needed. They are not required because there are many libraries. They are listed in the description section, just in case. Okay, wait a while for compression. Check it with pipe check. The installation has been confirmed. Now let's start coding. We will implement it with the library. Yes. Next, store code in the version and variable. In this case, let's put a picture of New York. In image save, enter the save name and extension. If successful, creation will begin as shown below. Wait a while for compression. Once created, click the folder symbol on the left to find the save image. Click on it. Yes, it is done. That's all for this time. See you next time. Goodbye.